Okay, I'm gonna show you a little secret here for taking these lids off. I don't know where my son got these pickles from, but he said he got them from HEB, but I could not get this top off. And also this barbecue sauce. This stuff, I could not take the top off for this one. I had another one there, but I'm gonna show you how I did it. I usually do is just hit it at the bottom like that a few times, and it still did not work. But you can purchase these jar openers right here. As you can see them, you can get these off Amazon. You can look in the link in my description if you want to purchase any. But what I was doing, I was barbecuing the other day, and I could not take the top off this thing, and also these pickles here. So what I was barbecuing, I had these tongs here, and if you got some of these, I'm gonna zoom out so you can see the whole thing, and you notice that it's got this rubber piece around there. And it also have, if you look in there, it have some little indentions. So what I did, I took the tongs and just put it right here, like this, and I squeezed this in, pulled it together, and twisted it, and it came right off. So I guess this is what that is for, like for your barbecue sauce. This is something new that I've learned. So if you got a pair of these, you're having problems taking off the tops, let's look at this one. It's a brand new top. And we just hit it on the bottom like that and pop it open. As you can see, that was brand new. So you can just take this and just put it on there, squeeze this together like this, watch. You hear that pop? Come right off. Look at that. Amazing. Learn something new every day. Like I said, if you're having a problems getting these off, right now I already took it off so it's easy. But if you're having problems taking something off and you got some of these at home with this rubber grip on it, just put it over it like this, squeeze it together, and turn it. There you go. Come right off. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.